Prepare. She prepares the ingredient. Choose. She chooses fresh vegetables. Cook. She cooks meal. Boil. He boils eggs. Bake. He bakes beef. Blend. She blends fruits. Chop. She chops onion. Put. He puts a pan. Crush. He crushes garlic. Whip. She whips cream. Scramble. She scrambles eggs. Drain. He drains fried food. Add. She adds milk. Wash. She washes fruits and vegetables. Stir fry. She stirs fry vegetables. Heat. He heats a pan. Fry. She fries potato. Peel. He peels an orange. Melt. He melts chocolate. Refrigerate. She refrigerates food. Freeze. He freezes meat. Decorate. She decorates cake. Toast. She toasts bread. Cut. He cuts chicken. Bite. She bites an apple. Pinch. He pinches salt. Measure. He measures coconut milk. Light. He lights a stove. Layer. She layers chocolate cake. Stir. He stirs coffee. Mash. She mashes potato. Make. He makes biscuits. Carve. He carves a watermelon. Soak. She soaks vegetables. Smell. She smells pizza. Slice. She slices tomato. Taste. He tastes soup. Spice up. She spices up food. Dip. She dips bread. Sprinkle. She sprinkles cake. Listen and practice. 1. Cook. Cooked. Cooked. 2. Prepare. Prepared. Prepared. 3. Heat. 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 4. Add. Added. Added. 5. Freeze. Froze. Frozen. 6. Wash. Washed. Washed. 7. Slice. Sliced. Sliced. 8. Dip. Dipped. Dipped. 9. choose, chose, chosen. 10. Bite, bit, bitten. See you on the next video.